worried about a recession? Not me. Not me in this wig. Hey girl, what's poppin'? What's up? How you doing? Hey girl, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Girl, I'm just happy to see you because I got some things to show you and to tell you. So let's just go ahead up in I'm already getting tongue-tied. Like, this is not the move. Today we are trying a new wig together, and this is from Ebonyline.com. Thank you guys over at Ebonyline for sending me out this unit. And yes, if you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. First of all, thank you for even hitting this video, girl, because you didn't have to, and I appreciate it. And if you are one of my homegirls that's already in the Queendom, what's good, what's poppin', what's up? Welcome back to the channel, girl. I'm so happy to see you. Without, I forgot my song. Without further ado, let's get this wig review poppin', poppin', poppin'. Yes! You already know that on this channel, we like to save money, okay? We like to feel like money, and we like to save money, okay? So today, I am giving you guys a dupe for a textured wig. So here is the wig, you guys. Looking beautiful. Now, the reason why I was really interested in this wig is because of the texture feel and the fact that it is a textured wig. It's not just the typical spiral curls. You see, we got a little bit of wet and wavy type look with our natural texture, and so I think that this is gonna lay really beautifully, and I think it's gonna turn out really, really pretty. So this is a lace front wig, you guys. This is what we're looking like. This is by the company Bobbi Boss, and look at that parting space. It's already looking good. Like, that's what I like to see, Bobbi Boss. That is what I like to see. So we have two combs on each side. We have a comb in the nape. We have adjustable straps. This is what the parting is looking like. And we're gonna go ahead and try it on with everything still attached. First of all, y'all, this cap is not really trying to fit my head. I'm not even finna play with y'all. My braids are not flat, so just... So yeah, it was the first week back to school, you guys. It went great. Definitely was happy to be back. Now I'm just focusing on look at me with my lace on. Now I'm just focusing on all my goals and things I have set in stone, and I'm really trying to knock out a lot of goals this semester, not even all related to teaching. So you guys just continue to support me, encourage me, and let's just knock out these goals together, because by the end of the semester, girl, 2020 is going to be like almost halfway over. So you guys, this is what the wig is looking like. I'm already feeling it. Like, yes, I look like money, okay? I look like I work for corporate. Who's worried about a recession? Not me. Not me in this wig. I look straight out the salon. So this is everything without me cutting or manipulating anything. I'm just going to go ahead and pluck this part a little bit because, yeah. There are some hairs like right in the middle of the parting space. Y'all, if you watch me, you know that that is just my pet peeve. Is always like one of the first things that I do to edit a wig is go ahead and pluck the hair that is right in the middle of the parting space, between the parting space and the scalp, because that area just needs to be bald. Like, it just needs to be bald headed. No edges. I don't want no edges there. I want it to be slick bald, okay? Slick bald. Oh, this wig with this natural texture is plucking really easily too. So definitely be careful when you pluck, girl, because you might over pluck because it's coming out so easy. But I'm just going to do a little bit more plucking, and especially right up in here where it's looking real tight, I need it to look real open. Like a nice narrow road, okay? So now, this is what we're looking like. Much better. So I'm going to take just a little bit of my concealer. This is actually liquid concealer. What I like to do is do a little liquid concealer, and then if it looks too liquidy, because sometimes it will do that depending on the type of lace, then I'll go in with my pressed powder over it. But sometimes my pressed powder, the shade that I have, ooh, I just bought a new one. Gotta find that. Note to self. Y'all ever buy stuff and then just like it ends up being put away somewhere and you're just like, I bought that. Where is it at? Yeah, don't remember where I put it, but I know I bought some. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead in with my concealer real quick, and it's already coming to life. Now, like I said, sometimes a concealer can make it look really light bright, so I'm gonna just rub it in with my fingers. Y'all, that is giving me scalp. Like, oh my gosh. Looking like money. Like, yes. I'm going to take my wax stick. I love using this thing. It works wonders, especially on my wigs. I really barely use it for anything but my wigs. But I'm just going to wax it down a little bit right here because I did alter the part. And I'm going to just wax the other side. And y'all, it smells so good. So good. Okay guys, let's go ahead and talk about this wig, girl. Okay you guys, so I think this is definitely a great dupe for the Sensational Boss Lady, or also the Janet collection. I think it's Jode. Now this is definitely a more volumized version, but I think this is definitely a great dupe if you can't get your hands on those units. These units are nice as well. I'm loving what's on my head right now. Okay you guys, so this unit again is by Bobbi Boss, and this is their natural curlified lace front wig. Yes girl, I had to read the tag because this is new. So you guys, this unit is pretty new. It's by Bobbi Boss and it's called their lace front curlify unit. I have this in the style Angie, which the number is MLF 408, and I have this in the color 1B. So this unit is a synthetic wig and it's a part of their natural curl series. It's supposed to provide a textured and curlified look, and it's supposed to have natural voluminous curls. So this one comes with a really nice parting space. I love this about this unit because it makes it easier to blend. If you have a natural textured wig and that wig's line of demarcation is crazy, girl, it's just not gonna work. That does not look good on me. So I was very pleased when I saw that I was able to blend this parting space very easily. Like I told you guys, it was easy to pluck the part, and then of course it was easy to blend. Now I did not use glue on this unit. You can if you would like to, but I think in its natural state, the way that it looks great. The parting space is blended very well, and it's honestly pretty unclockable, so I'm feeling it. So this unit has a handmade deep part of 5 inches, you guys. The cap size, I would say, is in between small and big head friendly. I definitely think it's going to work all around, but if your head is super large, you may want to reconsider with this wig, because y'all know I got a big old head and it's definitely very snug on me. Now my braids are not all the way flat, you guys, so that may have something to do with it. Just know that this is not going to be a huge cap, and if you're a smaller headed queen, because I know there's a lot of you who watch this channel as well, you, girl, whew, you definitely will be good. Anyways, it comes with combs and adjustable straps, so either way across the board, you should be fine. Just keep that into careful consideration. Now, y'all, I am really happy to report, girl, that there was no shedding, no tangling, no shedding, no tangling. Like, that is just such a great thing to be able to bring to y'all, because I cannot stand when I have a beautiful wig and I have to give y'all the horrible report that it sheds like a dog. But no, you guys, this wig, I didn't have any shedding issues. I didn't have any tangling issues. So overall, you guys, I'm loving Angie. Okay, Angie, I did not know you was gonna slay like this, honey, but I'm loving her. So you guys, definitely hop in those comments and talk to me. I want to hear what you think about Angie. Let me know if you could see yourself wearing this textured unit, and tell me how you like this unit in comparison to the other wigs that I compared it to, the Sensational Boss Lady, as well as the Janet collection Jode. Do you prefer those, or would you give Angie here a try? And thanks again, Ebonyline, for sending me out this unit. Love you guys so much. Make sure you share this video, and I'll see you in the comments. Bye.